Today we're going to show the beginnings of managing NPM dependencies and scripts and configuration in general using the Moderne Platform. OpenRewrite has had JSON refactoring support for a long time. We just are recently adding recipes that use that general JSON support for modifying Node.js configuration specifically. So on the marketplace, we'll see down towards the bottom Node.js, and you'll notice we just have a few recipes to start out with. This one's actually kind of interesting, this Node.js dependency insight. What this is going to do, we're going to be able to define a name pattern here, like let's look for low-star. This is a glob expression. I'm looking for all packages that have Lodash in it. And I'm going to search 481 repositories simultaneously for this dependency. So as the results start coming in, we can click into one of them and we see, we found a direct usage of Lodash right here. Could look at some other ones. We're seeing, Lodash here. Try to find one. There's certainly going to be ones that use like sub projects of Lodash as well, although they won't be as common. Truffle has it here. And this is how we're used to thinking about dependencies, is looking at them one repository at a time, kind of excruciatingly just going through each one. Part of the value of Moderne is to be able to write a recipe and have that recipe emit data tables. Like this one emits this dependencies in use, which means I can actually download an Excel file, in this case of every dependency that matched that Lodash matcher and what repository used it. So I can have one impact analysis of all Lodash used across all 481 repositories. If I open this data table here, you'll see what that looks like. I have a repository like Keystone Classic here, and it's using Lodash kebab case, and it's using Lodash directly. And so I kind of have all the versions that are in use across all of these projects all in one place. We have a visualization that can take that data table and show in a violin chart all the different Lodash packages I found in this 481 repositories and the version distribution. So the fatter the violin chart at any given version number, the more common that version is in the repository set. You can kind of see what the tail of versions are of Lodash in this project. I ran a similar one to just show the version of TypeScript in use. And look at this. We've got 5.4.2, a lot of projects that are up in this 5.3, 5.4 range. But in that 481 projects, we have TypeScript versions galore, going all the way back to even 2.1 back to 5.1.3. So some pretty early TypeScript versions in use, wide range. And this is the kind of thing that we would want to fix, that we want to lift them all up to the same version.
To learn more about Moderne and OpenRewrite, check out our documentation.